RiskyProject supports probabilistic and conditional branching. Probabilistic branching allows you to calculate expected values for the project in cases where you have not yet been able to determine which branch will be executed. Conditional branching is useful when you need to determine expected values of the project under specific conditions. To define probabilistic branching, select a task which has multiple successors. Double-click on the task ID and go to the Branching tab. Select a probability for each branch. If you specify chance equals 50%, this means that the branch will be executed with a probability of 50. You can also define an action or what will happen with tasks in the branch if chance is equivalent to a specific percentile value. In the Gantt result view, you can view the results of your analysis for probabilistic branching. In this example, you can see that the success rate for the branch is equal to 50%. Conditional branching is defined in a similar fashion. In the Branching tab of the Task Information dialog, select a condition for specific branching. For example, you can set task duration as greater than 5 days. Because task duration is an uncertain variable and is defined by statistical distribution, this condition will be met in some Monte Carlo simulations, while in other simulations, this condition may not be met. RiskyProject will then calculate a success rate for each branch presented in the result Gantt view.